Hi, I'm Landon Depew. I'm an account rep here at PowerMation, and I just wanted to show you the demo here I built using some of PowerMation's key automation suppliers. So getting started here inside the panel, I have a few Phoenix Contact products, starting here with the surge protector device, followed by 5 amp fuse, their flagship Trio 3 power supply with integrated circuit breakers, followed by my programmable Pilz safety relay, the Festo CMMT ST multi-protocol stepper servo motor drive, and the Phoenix Contact unmanaged Ethernet switch. So I'll turn on the circuit breakers here to get power inside the panel to the devices. For a push button pendant, I chose the Fortress T-Guard. This has a e-stop, stop, reset, and start push button. And then this is connected to my panel via my M23 Turck 12-pin cord set. So to get the start, I'll pull out the e-stop, and we have power inside the panel here via the Banner WLS 15 strip lights that I included as well. So we'll reset the panel here, which is indicated by the blue lights. And once I release, then we have the white lights turn on again. And now our stepper motor has power to it, as you can slightly hear it, and also have the indication on the drive via the green check mark. So now what I have here, part of the CMMT ST starter kit from Festo, is the additional one-piece cable that includes the power and encoder feedback inside the cable, as well as their smallest form factor size stepper motor, but you could also swap that out with a servo motor as well. And this is coupled to Festo's ball screw actuator and a ball screw actuator attached on top of that carriage as well, giving you 2 points of axes. So now I can start the motion here with the green push button, and you're getting the feedback that the machine's running via the green lights inside the panel. Now I can stop this motion by pressing the red button. That will automatically also re-enable the drive to where I can simply and seamlessly start the machine again. In the event of an emergency stop, I can just simply press the e-stop button, and now it's safely shutting down the actuators and killing power to the motor from the drive, indicated by the red check mark, and you're also getting the feedback and signal to the operators via the red flashing lights inside the panel. Thank you.